Hi, my name's Vicky Crane and I'm the Programme Leader. Welcome to the COVID Catch-Up and Excel programme for Gledhow Primary School. The course isn't just about plugging gaps and getting children back to a zero position, but to go beyond this. We want the programme to have a long-term, lasting impact on pupil progress and the quality of teaching in the school. We've therefore called the programme Catch Up and Excel. The programme is based on national and local research about typical gaps and barriers to pupil progress. It focuses on using high-impact evidence-based research strategies, but selecting those that are right for the school and right for the pupils. Discussions have taken place with leaders in the school and with teachers in every year group to ensure that there is maximum impact of the programme because it directly responds to the needs of pupils at Gledhow. It's not designed to sit in isolation, but to be dovetailed with the wider work of the school, and therefore there are ongoing meetings with leaders in the schools at various levels, including phase leaders and maths and English leaders. Throughout the year, the programme's therefore going to evolve as the dialogue, that two-way process of talking about teaching and learning and the needs of the pupils moves forwards. So too will the design of the course, and the online learning environment will reflect that, with resources and materials and professional development guidance that matches those needs. It's not possible at this point to have a complete online course, so come back regularly to see what has been updated. You can dip in and out of the course at any time and spend as long or as little in any one session as you like, depending on the time you've got available. But it's not just about the training sessions, it's not just about the Zoom sessions, it's not just about the online materials. It's actually about trying to support you as teachers to engage in professional dialogue with each other and to share expertise within the school. Therefore, alongside the elements of discussion that we might have, there's also time set aside for you to access the online resources, either individually or together, and to work together in teams, be that year group teams or phase groups. So the head teacher has disaggregated some of the training days and allocated that time to ongoing work around the Catch Up and Excel programme. We really want you to have the opportunity to dig into educational issues, to look at things at a depth that might not have been possible in previous situations. This is a unique opportunity and we want to grab it with both hands. There are some elements of the programme that every year group has agreed to implement. These are usually around typical underlying issues, such as eradicating handwriting problems, ensuring pupils reach a minimum reading speed, knowing their times tables. It would also be advantageous for all year groups to increase the opportunities for pupils to read aloud and for children to access, through reading comprehension lessons and the wider curriculum, non-fiction texts, particularly those linked to foundation subjects. We also want to help pupils to become as independent as possible and to improve their ability to track their own learning and fix their own learning issues. To help with this, the school is investing in more non-fiction texts, revision guides and revision materials, cards and resources that can be used in math stations in classrooms, materials online such as a new subscription to Mathletics for older pupils, access to Spelling Shed, as well as the software that the school already buys into, such as Rockstars for timetables and White Rose Maths online learning materials. There's a plethora of online learning materials as well as paper-based materials that can be used, but children need help in identifying what those gaps are, and they need your help to pinpoint what's the best method of catching up with that particular gap. We need to identify those gaps that can be fixed as part of whole class teaching, those gaps that can be addressed in class but directed to a group or individual work, and those that need to take place beyond the normal classroom. As well as those elements that everyone has agreed to implement, teachers can also select from the programme elements directly relevant to the pupils in their class within the 6 strands of the programme. So there are action planning materials on the site to allow year groups to really look at the needs of pupils and identify from the sessions that have been delivered which are the elements that they think will have the greatest impact on the pupils in their class. Each phase has an online bundle of courses allocated to it. Some of these are the same for everyone and some are very specific to the phase. Each course has a similar course structure in terms of how you access it online. You'll see that each course is divided into a number of sections, and within each section are subsections. These are known as online lessons, but you can think of them more being like web pages. You can access the lessons in any order and dip in and out of those that are relevant to you. Within each of the lessons there is text similar to web pages and video clips to support you with theory and/or implementation of ideas, and downloadable resources and classroom activities. The resources might not always be directly applicable to your class, but may help you to generate ideas about how you might apply research in the classroom. You can move between courses, for example spending some time on mathematics and then coming back to fluency issues. The course you are currently on is the main STEM course and contains the key documents that have been used in our main training sessions. These are supplemented with additional courses that focus on specific issues, such as there's a separate course about handwriting and a separate course about reading fluency and a separate course about mathematics. I hope you'll be able to navigate around the sites easily and find all that you need. I am really looking forward to working with you throughout the year, and I hope that we can make a real difference to the pupils at Gledhow.